To troubleshoot Zelle transaction history, start by understanding what Zelle is and how it works. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money directly from their bank accounts. First, ensure you have the Zelle app or access to your bank's online platform where Zelle is integrated. Log into your account and navigate to the Zelle section. Look for the Transaction History tab, which typically displays a list of your recent transactions, including the date, amount, and recipient or sender information. If you are having trouble finding a specific transaction, use the search function to filter transactions by date or recipient name. Check the status of the transaction to see if it is pending, completed, or failed. If a transaction is pending, it may take a few minutes to process. If it has failed, check the error message for details on what went wrong. Next, verify your account information and the recipient's information to ensure everything is correct. Double-check the recipient's email address or phone number, as incorrect information can cause transactions to fail. Also, confirm that your bank account is linked correctly to Zelle and that you have sufficient funds for the transaction. If you are still having issues, contact your bank's customer support for assistance. They can help you investigate the issue and provide more detailed information about the transaction. Additionally, you can also contact Zelle's customer support for further guidance. To avoid issues with Zelle transactions in the future, make sure to keep your account information up to date, use strong passwords, and monitor your account activity regularly. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot Zelle transaction history and resolve any issues that may arise.